Hello, welcome to AT Hot Wheels channel. I'm Alfred here. So a lot of people keep asking me why you don't say anything while you're doing the unboxing or the showcasing. Well, I'm going to do this for you. See how that turns out. And please like and subscribe and share the channel. The more share, the more subscribe I have, the more power I'll have to get more Hot Wheels to unbox it for you. Let's get started. So today we have a Hot Wheels in Silver Series in Vintage Racing Club, featuring casting the red Toyota 2000 GT, and then there's a couple more, but I only have the Datsun, the Ford Maverick, and a 2000 GT at the moment. So let's get started. So let's take a look at it. So we got all these red paint on the car, and got number 3 on here with detailed back, a little exhaust, and then a little headlight there as well. It's pretty cool. Okay, now grab a knife and let's get started. Let's open this from the side. Open like this. So when you're doing this at home, don't cut yourself, because knives can be really sharp, and then you might, if you pull too hard, it might damage the car as well. So let's do it slowly. It's pretty tough. All right, there you go. Ooh, makes it easier. I think that's all it is. Gonna put this knife away. Let's open it. I'll save this for hanging on the wall. Now take a look at the car. It's pretty nice. Well, I'm gonna do some modification on it with the wheels and maybe paint a little bit on the headlight as well. Number 3. It's pretty cool with dual exhaust with the chrome back. Now let me see this car here. This car was licensed in 2011, but then the same car they put different levies on, so they have a new casting on every time. So here it's got Goodyear on it. It's look pretty nice if you ask me. And this is a right-hand drive. Get a window that's opened. The wheels are pretty solid. Feels pretty nice. Roll it on the table. It's pretty quiet too. It's not that much noise as comparing to the main line. Big number 3 on the hood right there. A little mirrored. It's cool. 2000 GT. Let me know what you think. I might sound a little bit awkward, but more comments you guys have, the better that I am. I'll see you guys next time.